Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to set up and get the stats after the game of Saipan Electronic Darts Association SEDA Bud Light Dart League. Okay, start with the setup. To start the game, based on our score sheet, we're playing 301. So first 4 player, set up the score sheet, write down their name, and set up the game. There you go. But don't forget to insert money, okay? The 301 game is 2 credit. Okay. 01 games, 301, and then we're playing double in, double out. Okay, double in, double out. All right, I need 2 player, and then start the game. So double in, you have to hit double first before yours. There you go, double.
A few moments later.
Okay, almost done. There. Need to shoot double 16. Oh, double 8. Finish the game. Winner. And the winner is... Now you get the stats. The stats for the winner is 27.36. But actually, you can get both stats here. There. Player 1, 27.36, and player 2, 14.67. So that's for 301 game. Okay, make sure to write it down. Okay, next game is partners cricket. So cricket, use cricket, and then wild card cricket. I should choose that one because the regular cricket is cricket 200. So since we want the wilding crazy, we use wild card. Okay, now on this one I need to be partners. So for partners, you have to make it 4 player. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn on the stack scores. So to turn on, you have to press this, highlight the stack scores, and then press the red button. Okay, turn on. Now you can start the game. The stats will be split into 2 partners. Okay, start the game. There you go, there you go, there you go. Let's play the game. 3.15, 8. Ooh. Okay, we'll get back to you as soon as the game finish.
A few moments later.
Oops, cherry. Oh, winner. Okay, now the stats. Home player 4.2. Okay, here's for home player for these 2, and the visitors player for this one. So stats is recorded per player. Okay, so what about for 2 players? Just choose 2 player, then this is for cricket 2 player. Just use 2 players, start the game. Hat-trick. Winner! Game over! Winner player is 5.5. If you press the red button, I will show you the player 1 and player 2. So get the stats of this one and this one. Okay, for Hapit or Burma, or over here they call it Bermuda Triangle. Go to other games and then Bermuda Triangle, make only 2 player, then start the game. We don't need the stats, so just use only 2 player. This one is partner, but only 2 player. No need to record the stats. Start the game. Okay, no need to record the stats for Bermuda Triangle. Phoenix motherboard. Using Phoenix motherboard, how to set up the game. Partners for 501. You need to choose doubles B. Okay. Then start the game. Start. But before you start, you have to choose the option button. Game settings. Red button. Arrow down. Then need to press the red, go back to out, red, players B, red, and then press the return to game. Okay, double in, double out, partners. Then start.
A few moments later.
Okay. Double 10. Game over. Now get the PPD MPR, this one. If you're not yet done recording it, you can go back to the start screen by pressing cherry. So get the stats, the PPD. Not the PPR.